So thank you, Kid MC, Miss and Mr. No? So I'm very appreciative of our MCs that they are speaking in English. And now, not only our MCs, but also our students na mga talented man di sila, no? Labi na katong nagkanta sa Santa Claus, kung sa pagkari yung ikanta sa mga Bisaya sa mga girls, Mamacita, no? And very colorful. O ang akong terming madunggan is the poem, the tune of the poem. And it's dear to my room, no? And it makes me happy listening that kind of practices. Now, not only the kids that I have seen here, but also the parents, the guardians, and of course our teachers. Thank you very much, Ma'am Doris, Ma'am Ida, for your hard working in teaching, especially of your patience in handling this kind of very alert kids. O mga ginikanan, salamat sa iyong makanunayong pagsuporta, dili lang sa iyong mga anak, kundi pagsuporta sa atong eskwelahan. Thank you very much to our academic head, Mr. Domingo Mauas, and of course, ang iyong palanggang Hawaii. The other one is also the chairman of the CMA, si Rakito, no? Always very active in our parish. So, again, Merry Christmas, and I hope that in answering your call as parents, as teachers, we can feel God is so good to us, not only His teachings, but also of His event of allowing Himself to be present here in our church, especially sa iyang birthday. Mga bata, ano sa birthday ni Baby Jesus? December 20. Ano sa galing ng Pasko? December 14. Ako. Ano sa galing ang Pasko na to? December 25. No? So, again and again, I know na nag-advance na of Christmas, but thank you very much sa ato ang presence here, and let us be joyful of our presence to one another in watching the talents of your kids, of your grandchildren, and even enjoying the food being served from you. I would also ask permission that I could not attend fully the schedule because the patay is waiting me there in the church for the funeral mass. Then after the funeral mass, I will proceed to a certain chapel of Lower Lotnyong for the fiesta. So mga bata, love ba ninyo si Jesus? Love ba ninyo si Jesus? O takpakan natin si Baby Jesus sa iyang birthday. And shout, Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. So, again, congratulations of our celebration here. May God bless you all.
Thank you very much, Father Arnel, for your very inspiring message. Again, let us give them a round of applause, please. Here comes another presentation to showcase the talent of the K2 pupils. Let us give them the